we go again.
What is it for this girl? What is love? Love, what is love? Believe it if I told you all about it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl here, Killer, for the new subscribers, and for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always supporting me. Guys, please subscribe to my channel. To fike 500 subscribers, need drop some videos, you know. Guys, nimewapostia but nyinyi mnaniangusha. Until you do so, I'm going to drop another video. But for now, please subscribe, like, comment na mniambie what kind of vlogs mnataka nikuwe na post. But you know, it's so hard that nikisema ningoje na feel to kupost na postia, because I believe one day I don't know, I'm just dreaming maybe, but sometimes dreams come true, so mfanye hivyo, msiniangushe. And pia mwende kwa my TikTok channel, because I'm doing some more vlogs, short video vlogs of my daily life, so you're gonna get to know me more and more and more and more. So all you can ask you guys support, so spend a night with me guys. I've cooked you, I've shown you my new hairstyle, so I want to go and bathe and then come cooling. Nitaonyesha to some few clips, so I hope you're gonna enjoy.
It drives me insane.
I ain't got a clue, bruh.
Wait. So what can I say to you when I'm off there? Had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. You know the truth. I was always holding you down. You down. Baby. This girl, what is love? Love, what is love? Believe it if I told you all about it. Our pressure just keep adding, then we just get mad and fuck. We was living faster, that's what get me high enough. All these people always lying about something. I'm sorry, I'm so fly, so what?
Fuck, I'm gonna be sorry for that.
I was counting zeros. I'm a hometown hero. Niggas green like CeeLo. These niggas do anything with some C-notes.
I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm hurt. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always wanted you